Looking for the best cordless random orbital sander? We tested and compared 5 popular models to help you pick the perfect one, so stick around to see which one came out on top. Starting off our list at the bottom is the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Random Orbital Sander. It's a budget-friendly pick that delivers basic functionality for small DIY projects or occasional sanding jobs. But when stacked up against the competition, it's clear that this one is best suited for very light-duty use. The good news? It comes with a battery and charger, which means you can get started right out of the box. It also hits a decent speed of 12,000 orbits per minute, giving you enough power for quick sanding jobs. The hook and loop disc change system is simple to use, and the compact design makes it easy to handle. But that's where the good news ends. This model lacks variable speed control, which limits its versatility. It also runs on a brushed motor, meaning less efficiency and shorter tool life over time. Plus, the dust collection system is just a canister. It's not as effective as a vacuum-ready option. If you're a beginner or someone who sands only occasionally, this could work, but for anyone doing more than light sanding, you'll want to step up to something with a bit more control and durability. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best prices are in the description right below the video. Next up is the CRAFTSMAN Cordless Sander, a small step up in performance, but still with a few trade-offs. It's got a clean design, solid speed, and a decent build. Compared to the BLACK+DECKER, it feels a bit more refined, but it's not quite in the big leagues yet. This sander hits the same 12,000 orbits per minute and adds a dust-sealed switch and better dust collection with a vacuum port. It's comfortable to hold, relatively lightweight, and compatible with CRAFTSMAN's V20 system, which is great if you already own other tools in that line. Now the downsides: it still uses a brushed motor, which means it's not as durable or efficient as brushless options. More importantly, you don't get a battery or charger. Those are sold separately. That pushes the overall cost higher than it looks at first glance. This one's ideal for DIYers who already own other CRAFTSMAN tools and want something that just works. If you're already invested in their battery system, this is a practical addition. Like what you're seeing, tap that like button and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Taking the middle spot is Makita's Cordless Orbital Sander, a clear jump in control and usability. What really sets this one apart is its 3-speed setting, rare in this price range. It's built for precision and balance, even if it has a few quirks. You get a nice range of speeds to match different materials and tasks. The ergonomics are solid, and the through-the-pad dust collection with the included bag works really well. Plus, it's part of Makita's broad 18-volt tool ecosystem, which is a huge plus if you're already using their gear. However, it still runs on a brushed motor, which isn't as efficient as brushless, and you don't get a battery or charger in the box, which makes the upfront cost a bit misleading. It's also on the heavier side once you pop in a battery. For those who value speed control and already own Makita batteries, this one strikes a great balance of price and performance. It's especially great for intermediate users who want a more customizable sanding experience. Coming in as our runner-up is the Greenworks Cordless Sander. This one's got a brushless motor, a modern design, and comes with everything you need to get started, including the battery and charger. It's fast, lightweight, and part of the broader Greenworks tool family. It delivers speeds up to 11,000 OPM and includes a variable speed trigger for more control. The brushless motor is a standout in this price range, offering more power and a longer lifespan. It's also compatible with over 150 other tools in the Greenworks 24-volt system, which is super handy. But here's the catch: the included 2.0 amp hour battery only gives you around 20 minutes of runtime. That might be enough for small jobs, but if you're planning anything longer, you'll need to invest in a spare battery. The dust bag is also pretty basic. Don't expect shop vac level performance. If you're looking for a brushless sander with solid power and you're already into the Greenworks lineup, this is a great choice. Just keep that battery life in mind, especially if you're tackling larger projects. And finally, we've got our top pick, the DEWALT Cordless Random Orbital Sander. This is the one that does it all and does it right. It's fast, lightweight, efficient, and comes fully equipped with a battery, charger, and even a contractor bag. Right away, the brushless motor puts it ahead in efficiency and performance. The variable speed dial gives you precise control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, which makes it ideal for everything from fine sanding to fast material removal. It's super comfortable to hold and feels balanced in hand, even during longer sessions. If we're nitpicking, the dust collection bag isn't perfect, and you'll need a special adapter to hook it up to non-DEWALT vacuums. And while the 2.0 amp hour battery gives around 30 minutes of use, a larger battery will stretch that runtime, though it adds a bit of weight. This is the one to beat. Whether you're a serious DIYer or a professional looking for reliable cordless performance, this sander checks all the boxes. That wraps up our deep dive into the best cordless random orbital sanders. Want to check out the top picks for yourself? All the product links at the best prices are down in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one.